So if you have a problem with the Chevy C1500, there's a 5-liter engine, or the V6 will be the same, or the 5.7. If you have a problem with high idle or a low idle, the truck sometimes will die, or you can't start it, or it will be hard to start. So, sometimes it will be running fine, then it will die. So I'm replacing today the throttle position sensor, and I have the part number. And also I'm replacing the throttle position sensor. Come with these new screws. Also I'm replacing the throttle position sensor connector. The old one broke. So first thing, you need to disconnect the negative side post from here, and you take this hose and air filter cover here. This for me it will be 10 millimeter. Not sure about yours. So you take this nut off, and this whole assembly will come out like that. So yeah, this the broken plug I have, and you have 2 screws, one at each end. So the battery side post bolt will be 5/16, and this connector will be T25. So this place a bit tight, so you may need to use like a vice grip, and try to remove it this way. Yeah, this a bit tight too. So here the old throttle position sensor. You can clean that if you want, but probably some carburetor cleaner. So here the new throttle position sensor. So after I clean this with the carb cleaner on the back, you can connect the new one like that. You just hand tight, because the housing is plastic, and you make sure this piece go like that on the back. So when you open the throttle, these will move like that. So here the old plug, the connector for the throttle position sensor. So it's broke from here, and this one broke too. You can see it's A, B, C, and this one doesn't have colors, but you can go with the same thing on the back. It say A, B, C. So you connect it with the same way. So after you connect the wires, you can use you can weld these wires back with the soldering iron, like this one. And I'm using like tube shrinking over it just to protect the wires, and you make sure you connect them the same way. So the black wire will be A, the blue wire will be B, and this gray wire C. So will be the same way. You make sure. So you have A, the black, B, the blue, and C will be the gray wire. So I end up using some tape. You can use, this was a bit small, and you can put some dielectric grease or silicone paste. So